सहना भवतु
ॐ सहना भवतु
अहनौ भुनक्तु
सहनौ भुनक्तु
सह वीर्यं करवावहै
सह वीर्यं करवावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु
मा विद्विषावहै
मा विद्विषावहै
ॐ पूर्णमदः
पूर्णमदः
पूर्णमिदं
पूर्णमिदं
पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते
पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते
पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय
पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय
पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते
पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
So I think everyone is now very much comfortable with present tense verbs. So today in the beginning we'll try to make some sentences without looking at the chart or something. Okay. Aham gacchami, tvam gacchasi, Ramah gacchati. Anyone who is going to start?
Aham pathami.
Aham pathami, Shobhanam. Okay, so I can help you to give you some questions like people are running.
Naraha dhavanti.
Shobhanam, naraha dhavanti. Good. Elephants are eating.
Gaja
खादन्ति गजाः खादन्ति
Gajaha khadanti. We all are playing.
नरः क्रीडन्ति
Good. Naraha kridanti. You laugh.
त्वं हसति
Hasasi. Hasasi. Tuam hasasi. You all cry. Cry means krand.
Twam. No, twam is just for you. You all.
Yes. Yes. You yum.
You yum. What did you say?
Krand.
Oh. You yum.
Kridanti.
Krandatha.
Krandatha. Oh, that was a hard one.
The second last. Yeah. Krandatha. Okay.
You yum
So,
krandatha.
okay. So now you can look at the chart to get little help. You two or you both are walking.
Yuvam
This-
chalataha.
Chalathaha. Yuvam chalathaha. We both are drinking.
Avam
Avam.
Iva.
Pivavaha.
Iva.
Avam pivavaha. Okay. So, always remember, in language, learning helps you only 10%. Practicing help you 90%. So like you now understand the whole present tense. But the problem is you cannot recall it instantly. Why? Because it needs practices.
Yes.
So what you can do in your home, because now it's almost 7th or 8th classes. So try to make some sentences, minimum 10 sentences using present tense. Like aham gacchami, tvam gacchasi, Ramaha patati, Gajaha khadati. Any word you remember, just make small sentences. Don't try to make it a long sentence. Just simple aham, tvam, yuvam, like this. So next we'll practice future tense. Future tense is called lit lakara.
Lit lakara.
Yeah. In lit lakara, remember the suffixes. Suffix means that comes at the end of the word. So we'll practice again. Repeat with me. First listen, then repeat. Ishyati, ishyataha, ishyanti.
Ishyatah
Ishyanti.
Ishyasi, ishyatha, ishyatha.
Ishyasi.
Ishyatah.
Ishyatha.
Ishyami, ishyavaha, ishyamaha.
Ishyami. Ishyavaha. Ishyamaha.
So if you are using pat root, so how to make pat root in future tense? Pat plus, so listen first, pat, e, pati. So pat plus e, pati, then patishyati, patishyataha, patishyanti. So what will be the madhyama purusha?
Patishyasi.
Patishyasi.
Patishyataha,
Patishyatha.
patishyatha. Uttama purusha?
Patishyami.
Patishyami.
Patishyamaha.
Patishyamaha.
So remember the meaning. I will read, you will go, he will eat, like this. So this is the chart of pat dhatu. Patishyati, patishyataha, patishyanti. Repeat.
Patishyati. Patishyatah. Patisyanti.
Patishyasi, patishyataha, patishyatha.
Patishyasi.
Patishyamaha. Patishyatha.
Patishyami, patishyavaha, patishyamaha.
Patishyami.
Patishyavaha. Patishyamaha.
So do you remember the similarities between the present tense lat lakar and the future tense lit lakar? And what is that similarities? The last syllable is same. Ti, taha, anti. Si, thaha, tha. Ami, avaha, ama. Only you are adding extra ishya. That ishya change the meaning and it becomes future tense.
Future tense.
Okay, so see the chart. I just put here only the third person, patishyati, patishyataha, patishyanti. So one by one can tell me in rit lakar. I'm starting with Senji Has.
Hasishyati. Hasishyatah. Hasisyanti. No.
Shobhanam. Naresh ji, Vad.
Padishyati, padishyatah, padishyanti.
Vadishyanti. Raksha, Prakash ji.
Rakshati.
Rakshishyati.
Rakshishyati. I'm sorry. Rakshishyati. Rakshishyataha. Rakshishyanti.
Shrimati ji. Creed.
Kridishyati, Kridishyata, Taha, Kridisyata, Taha,
Kridishyanti.
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 Okay. Rupa ji. Khad.
Khadishyati, khadishyatah, khadishyanti.
खादिष्यन्ति. Okay. Uma ji. Chal.
चलिष्यति, चलिष्यतः, चलिष्यन्ति.
चलिष्यन्ति. Bharat ji. Gam.
गमष्यति गमष्यतः
Gami.
गमिष्यन्ति
Correct it.
Gami.
Gamishyati. Gamishyatah. Like this.
गमिष्यति
हाँ.
गमिष्यतः गमिष्यन्ति
Shobhanam. Ranjana ji. Bhu and bhu will become bhav.
Bhavishyati, bhavishyatah, bhavishyanti.
Bhavishyanti.
Acharya ji,
Yes.
gum would not become gach.
No. Gum becomes gach only in present tense.
Gameshyati.
Gachati, gachatah, gachanti.
But not here.
But here in Lit Lakar, it will follow the original word, that is gum. Gamishyati, gamishyatah, gamishyanti.
Okay.
Okay,
Very
so
good point.
Lakshmanji, now your turn. So instead of titah anti, use si tha tha. You can start with has. Hasishyasi.
Asisataha, asisata.
Yes, hasishyasi, hasishyatha, hasishyatha.
Oh.
Rajiv ji, vad. Instead of titah anti, use si tha tha.
वदिष्यसि
Hmm.
वदिष्यथः
Hmm.
वदिष्यथ
Vadishyatha. Saroj ji, are you here, Saroj ji?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay, okay. So raksha dhatu si tha tha.
Rakshasi,
Rakshishyasi,
Rakshasi, Rakshasatha,
yatha, rakshishyatha. Okay. Instead of titah anti, use ami avah ama. Like example, patishyami, patishyavah, patishyamah. So use has.
Wait a minute. I'm not there.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Should I repeat?
Yeah. Ji, please.
So instead of titah anti, use ami avah ama. Like
Okay.
patishyami, patishyavah, patishyamah. So
Okay.
you take a word vad.
Vadami,
Vadishyami.
vadishyami, vadishyavah, vadishyama.
Shobhanam. Vadishyami, vadishyavah, vadishyamah.
Vadishyama.
Okay. Now make some sentences. Aham, shwaha, shwaha means tomorrow, khadishyami. What does it mean? Aham, shwaha, khadishyami.
I
I
will
Tomorrow I
will
will
eat
eat
tomorrow.
Aenge.
I will eat tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay. So Rupa ji, you will play tomorrow.
tam, tvam, swaha,
Shwaha.
swaha, kridayanti.
Shya. Kridi, shya,
Kridishyasi.
kridishyati. Okay. Tvam. Okay. Kridishyasi. Tvam. Kridishyasi.
Kridishyasi.
Okay. Naresh ji, tomorrow you will go.
Tvam
Shwaha. Shwaha.
Mishyasi.
Gamishyasi. Tvam shwaha gamishyasi. Umaji, people will eat tomorrow.
So people would be
Janaha,
janaha, shwaha. Eat is khadati. So khadash,
khadi,
khadi, shanti.
Good. Can you repeat it again? Whole sentence?
Janaha, shwaha, khadishyati.
Shanti.
Sorry. Janaha, shwaha, khadisyanti.
Shobhanam. Janaha shwaha khadi shanti. Bharat ji, Uma will speak tomorrow.
Uma shwaha
Vad. to speak means vad, तो use ये vadi, vadishyati.
vadishyati.
तो uma shwaha vadishyati.
So it is singular.
Singular because uma is one.
Yeah.
Uma shwaha vadishyati. Repeat it.
Uma Shwaha vadishyati.
Vadishyati. Shovanam. Shrimati ji. Prakash will protect.
Prakash.
Shaha. Prakashaha.
Swaha
Rakshish.
Rakshishyati.
Yes. Prakashaha rakshishyati. Okay, Prakash ji. Shrimati will go.
Sirmati Shwaha Gashishyati. Gamishyati, sorry.
Gamishyati. Shovanam. Rajiv ji. We all will play.
We all will be Vyam.
Vayam. Yes. Vayam.
Vayam Kridamaha.
Future tense. Kridi.
Kridishamaha.
Shovanam. Can you repeat again the whole sentence?
Vyam Shwaha Kridishyamaha.
Shovanam. Vayam shwaha kridishyamaha. Rupaji, you all will read a book.
Tvam.
Okay, it will be yuyam
Yuyam.
pustakam
Book na. Okay, read. Pustakam. Read is
pat.
patish.
Yeah.
Patishyatah.
Patishyatha.
Patishyatha.
Okay, repeat it again, the whole sentence.
Yuyam pustakam patishyatha.
Shovanam. Yuyam pustakam patishyatha. Okay, I know it takes time to recall it. Sometimes you may feel frustrated, okay, why it is not coming, but don't worry, that is the nature of language learning. In a language, how much grammar you know, it doesn't help you. What helps you in language, how much you use it. What you can do, take some time now in a week, 30 minutes, 1 hour, maybe twice a week, thrice a week, make some sentences. Like now you understand the future tense and present tense. And I will share you the slides in WhatsApp group. So using all those slides, make 10 sentences in present tense, 10 sentences in future tense. Maybe you can do it to make 10 sentences every day. If you have time and interest, you just make every day 10 sentences, and in a week you will make 70 sentences or 60 sentences. Then you will see the miracle. If you cannot do it every day, 3 days, 2 days, 1 day minimum. So now the time comes to practice. So you got it, patishyati, patishyatah, patishyanti. So now some different type of verbs in future tense, like stha will become sthasyati. Don't use e. So stha means to stay. So it will become sthasyati. Okay, make a sentence. Tomorrow I will stay in Austin. Shwaha aham Austin nagare sthasyami. Okay. Pa. Pa means pass, to drink. It will become pasyati, pasyatah, pasyanti. Gra, to smell. Grasyati. Grasyanti. Okay. Ni means to take, and it will become ne. So neshyati. Neshyanti. Okay, this one is not ne, this is j. So G will, to win, it will become jeshyati, jeshyatah, jesyanti. Okay.
Acharya, do you have a question here?
Yeah, please.
the first three verbs you have there, they have the sa, and then the next two has sh. What's the difference and why?
So here, if it is E, if you are adding a E, then the sa will become disha. Okay, patishyati, patishyatah, patishyanti. If you find in future tense no E, then it will become this sthasyati, pasyati. So that is the basic difference. So now just practice sthasyati,
Sthasyati,
pasyati,
pasyati,
grasyati,
ni, neshyati,
neshyati, jeshyati.
jeshyati.
Jeshyati. Okay. Jeshyati. So now we are coming to a next topic. You know the balaha, balahu, balaha. One boy, two boys, and many boys. One hand, two hand, many hands. Lakshmanji, many hands. What will be in Sanskrit? Karaha. Karaha. Many elephants. Rupaji.
Gajaha.
Gajaha. Two countries. Umaji.
Countries, desh.
Yeah.
Desho.
Deshav. Okay. Shrimatiji. 2 years.
Karna.
Karnav. Okay. This table, in a grammatical way, it says Prathama Vibhakti. So before I am teaching you the next lesson, so there are 2-3 things to understand. And that is, in Sanskrit, every single noun or pronoun or adjective, non-verb words, are divided by 7 classes. Those classes, every single class brings a specific type of meaning to that word. Suppose in English, Rama goes, Dasharatha asks Rama, Sita goes forest with Rama, he brings some fruits for Rama. So Rama one, then you are using to Rama, with Rama, for Rama, from Rama, in Rama, at Rama. So you are using some other words to get different type of meanings. In Sanskrit, you just put a suffix to change the meaning. Like Ram is, in English, Ramaha asti. We called it subject. Rama word used as a subject. If you want to use Rama as an object, like an example, Dasharatha asks Rama. So here, Dasharatha is a subject and he is asking Rama. So Rama is here object. But in Sanskrit, you have to put a different suffix. Instead of Rama, you will say Ramam. Don't write it. I will explain you. Just listen the concept. I'll show you the chart later. Okay, you want to say Sita goes with Rama. So you are using with. In Sanskrit, you don't need to use a different word. You are just saying Sita Ramena Gacchati. So the with and Rama will be in a single word. To and Rama, both words will be in a single word. So whatever you have learned till now, it is just subject, how to use a word as a subject. Ramaha, Ramo, Rama, Nareshaha, Naresho, Nareshaha, Senaha, Senao, Senaha, Balaha, Balo, Balaha, as a subject. today we will learn how to use those words as object. Like I eat a fruit. So fruit is here as a object. So, there is a movie. Here movie is subject. I watch a movie. Here I is subject and movie is an object. So we'll learn how to use those words as object in a Sanskrit style. That is called Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti means second case. Practice with me. You know Balaha, Balahu, Balaha. Clear?
Yeah.
What is the meaning of Balaha, Rupaji? Balaha, Balahu, Balaha. What is the meaning?
One child, Balau, two, Balaha, many.
So now we learn Balam, Balu, Balan. It means one boy, two boys, and three boys. I am talking to one boy. Aham Balam Vadami. I am talking to four boys. Aham Balan Vadami.
Okay.
He looks at two boys. Saha Balu Pashyati. Okay. So practice with me. Balam, Balu, Balan.
Balam, Balau, Balan.
Deva.
Devam, Devam, Devan.
Devu, Devan.
Oh, Devan.
Okay. Devaha, Devu, Devaha means what? Devaha means one Deva, one deity, two deities, more deities. Now, Devam, Devu, Devan. A devotee worships God. Bhaktaha Devam Pujayati. Is it clear?
Yes.
Bhaktaha Devam Pujayati. Naraha Naram Narau Naran. Repeat.
Naram, Narau, Nara.
Okay. Take some examples. Sen Pathakaha Janan Vadati. What does it mean? Listen carefully. Sen Pathakaha Janan Vadati. Naran Vadati.
Sen Pathak लोगों से बात करते
Talking to people.
Talking to
Yeah, Sen Pathak talks to people. Okay. Vriksha. Vriksham, Vrikshau, Vrikshan.
Vriksham, Vriksham.
Vriksham.
The boy looks at the tree. How to make sentence? Boy,
Balkah,
Vriksham,
Vriksham,
Pashyati.
Pashyati. Pashyasi.
Balakaha Vriksham Pashyati. The boy look at a tree. Kara. Karam, Karau, Karan. Karna. Karanam, Karanam, Karanan.
Karanam, Karanau, Karanan.
Lakshmana Dasaha Karanam Sprishati. Means Lakshmanji touching one ear.
What is the verb, Guruji?
Sprishati, Sprishati. Sprishati means to touch.
Sprishati.
The student asks a question. Shishyaha prashnam pruchhati.
Prachati.
Pruchhati.
Prichati.
The prashnam, prashnau,
Prashno,
prashnan.
Prashnan.
Desha. Desham, Deshau,
Deshau,
Deshan.
Deshan.
Aham Bharata Desham Gacchami. What does it mean?
मैं भारत देश जाता हूँ.
Yeah, I go to India. Okay.
Yeah.
So now take some neutral words. You know phalam, phale, phalani?
Yep.
One fruit, two fruit, and many fruits. So now we'll practice the second case. Same, similar. Phalam, phale, phalani. Also phalam, phale, phalani. So anna, what will be anna?
Annam. Ne. Annani.
Annam, anne, annani. Trina.
Trunam.
Trinam. Te. Trani.
Trinani. Patra.
Patram. Patre. Trani.
Patrani. Sharira.
शरीरम
शरीराणि
शरीराणि शास्त्र
शास्त्रम शास्त्रे शास्त्राणि
स्थान
स्थानं स्थाने
स्थानानि
नयन
नयनं
नयने नयनानि
नयनानि मस्तक
मस्तकं मस्तके मस्तकानि
वस्त्र
वस्त्रं वस्त्रे वस्त्राणि
आचार्य जी,
हाँ
वस्त्रम वस्त्रे वस्त्राणि और वस्त्राणि नी और
वस्त्राणि
नी।
वस्त्राणि सो रंजना जी I eat food
अहम् अन्नं खादामि
शोभनम् अहम् अन्नं खादामि
खादामि
शोभनम् रूपा जी Ranjana reads a textbook
Ranjana Shastram
शास्त्रं पठति
Patati.
शोभनम् शोभनम् प्रकाश जी the horse eats grass
Ashwa.
अश्वः
Ashwaha. Trinam.
तृणं खादति
Khadati, each.
या खादति अश्वः तृणं खादति. Then now we'll learn little bit about feminine. You know bala bale balaha. Okay, one girl, two girls, many girls. Katha kathe kathaha. Katha kathe kathaha.
One story.
बहुत story बहुत stories
Yeah, one story, two stories, many stories.
story.
Vidya, Vidya, Vidhi, Vidyaha.
विद्याः
Okay, so now we will practice the second case, and that is balam bale balaha. Repeat.
बालां बाले बालाः
Bala means one girl. Bale means two girls. Balaha also here also same, but the first case is many girls, and the second case is too many girls. Two here two means co. Okay, so make a sentence. Lakshman Das tells a story.
लक्ष्मण दासः
Kathayati ya vadati.
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 Manji
In Sanskrit no ji. Lakshman Dasah.
Dasaha
आम
Katham
वदति
Kathayati.
Vadati.
Vadati. Okay. So telling is called Kathayati. Remember, Kathayati. So Kathayati means to tell. Vadati means to speak, to say. Okay. Balam bale balaha. Katham kathe kathaha. Krida.
Yam
क्रीडा
क्रीडा
क्रीडे क्रीडा
Vidya.
Vidya.
विद्यां ये विद्याः
Rama.
रमा रमे रमा
है ना? Ramam rame ramaha.
रमां रमे रमा
Mudra.
Mudra.
मुद्रां मुद्रे मुद्राः
मुद्राः
Rambha.
रम्भां
रम्भः
रम्भाः
Rambhaha. Okay. Take another E ending. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha.
Nadyaha.
One river, two rivers, many rivers. Nagari.
नग
Nagari, Nagaryau, Nagaryaha.
नगर्यः
This is little difficult for you. Last time it was difficult for you. So practice with me. Prithvi.
पृथिवी
पृथिव्यौ पृथिव्यः
Vani.
वाणी वाण्यौ वाण्यः
वाण्यः
Manyaha. Janani.
जननी जन्यौ
Jananyaha.
जनन्यः
Bhagini.
भगिनी भगन्यौ
भगिन्यौ
भगन्यः
Bhaginyaha. Okay. Now we learn the second case. Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi.
नदीं नद्यौ नदीः
Nagari. Nagarim, Nagaryau, Nagarihi.
नगरीः
So when you say nadi, nadyau, nadyah, it means one river, two rivers, many rivers. When you say nadim, nadyau, nadihi, it means to one river,
One river. Yes.
two rivers, and to many rivers.
Yes, sir.
I go to a river. How to make a sentence, Prakash ji? I go
Aham
to a
nadim
river.
Gacchami.
Yes, Sen ji, repeat it again.
Aham nadim gacchami.
Shobhanam, aham nadim gacchami.
Yeah.
Okay, Prakash ji, for you another sentence. I see a river. See mala pashyami.
Aham nadim pashyami.
Very good.
Shobhanam, aham nadim pashyami. I talk to wife.
Aham
Aham
Nim
Patnim vadami.
Vadami.
Shobhanam, patnim vadami. So, vani. Vanim, vanyo, vani.
body.
Bhagini.
Bhaginim.
Bhaginim, bhaginyo, bhaginihi.
Grihini.
Grihini.
Gruhinyo, grihinihi.
Putri.
Putrim. Putryo.
Putrau,
Trihi.
Putrihi.
Okay. Some avyayaj. First you learn I go.
Aham
Aham
gacchami.
gacchami.
So you now learn where to go. You can say now aham griham gacchami. Aham mandiram gacchami. Aham karyalayam gacchami. Aham Canadam gacchami. Aham Bharatam. So the third word you now learn. So you want to say I go to Canada. Aham Canadam gacchami. Is it clear? How many words? Three. So you want to add more another one word, and that is I go Canada today.
Adya.
Aham adya Canadam gacchami. You eat food. You eat a fruit. Umaji, you eat a fruit.
Phalam
Hadasi.
khadasi.
You eat a fruit today.
Aham adya phalam khadasi.
Khadami. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, you want to make little longer sentence? Okay, you want to say aham adya phalam khadami. How many words you are now learn? Four. You can make a sentence today using 5 words. Aham adya atra phalam khadami. Aham I adya today. Atra here phalam fruit khadami eating. So see, since today you can make big sentence using minimum 5 words. So that you will practice all those words. These are called indeclinable words. Means you don't need to put suffix, prefix, nothing. They are very much same in every situation. They don't have any past, present, future, singular, dual, plural, nothing. These are ready-made foods. You don't need to cook them. You don't need to put any efforts. They're already made, available, just bring. Even you don't need to heat them. Oh, garam karna bhi nahi, microwave mein. Just bring and eat. Okay. कोई बटर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं, बस इनका मीनिंग याद रखिए. Kada. Kada means when. Like you want to make a sentence. When you are going to school.
Kada tvam
Vidyalayam.
Vidyalayam
Gachasi.
Gachasi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I always read Gita.
Aham sarvada Gitam
Pathami.
Pathami.
Aham sarvada Gitam pathami. Whenever I read Gita, I feel better.
Yada.
Yada aham
Gita pathami.
Pathami.
Tada aham
Ta aham
sukham anubhavami.
प्रसन्न अनुभव
प्रसन्नता
चलो ये
अनुभवामि।
थोड़ा बड़ा
बड़ा हो गया,
ज्यादा
काफी
मुश्किल
बड़ा।
हो जाएगा। ओके, थोड़ा छोटा कर लेते हैं इसको। Whenever sun rises, I read.
यदा
यदा
यदा सूर्यः उदेति,
सूर्यः उदिति
Surya Udeti.
अहं पठामि।
wait, तदा अहं पठामि.
तदा अहं पठामि।
When
Tada,
yada
tada.
means whenever, so
Yeah,
yada
tada.
and tada, listen, yada and tada are relative words. That means whenever he comes here, I cook pasta. Yada saha griham agacchati, tada aham
Aham.
pastam pachami. Is it clear?
Hmm.
Any doubt? Repeat with me. Yada saha griham agacchati,
यदा सः गृहम् आगच्छति
आगच्छति
tada aham pastam pachami.
तदा
अहं
अहं पास्तां पचामि।
गच्छामि।
Oh my God, how big sentence he can make. Whenever Uma laughs, Bharatji become happy. Take a sentence. Whenever Uma laughs,
यदा उमा
हसति,
असति
तदा भारतः
प्रसन्नं
प्रसन्नः भवति.
भवति।
सत्यं वचन।
Whenever there is night, I watch TV. When
यदा
यदा नाक्तं
रात्रि भवति,
रात्रि भवति
तदा
अहं दूरदर्शनं पश्यामि।
दूरदर्शनं पश्यामि.
दूरदर्शनं
Dura means tele. Vision means darshana. Television. Duradarshana. Okay. Duradarsanam pashyami. Yada tada. So you will get all the words. So use them and practice them. There is another one word, anyada, at any other time. Aham anyada khadami. I
will
aham
eat another
anyada
time.
khadishyami. I will eat at another time. He will go at another time. Saha anyada gamishyati. Gamishyati, future tense. Okay. Or if you want to use day, day means, okay, मैं आपको थोड़ा आज और आपके ऊपर कृपा करने वाला हूँ. कृपा मतलब आपको रेडीमेड खाना खिलाएंगे ना आज. अच्छा, दिन के लिए संस्कृत क्या बोलते हैं? दिवसः.
दिवस.
फिर आप उसका then you have to make दिवसः, दिवसो, दिवसः, दिवसम. आज आपको उसे फ्री कर देंगे. बिल्कुल रेडीमेड फूड, and that is diva. So now listen carefully. If you are using the word diva, it is an indeclinable word. That means you don't need to put any case, any number, nothing. But if you are using dinam, then you have to follow all the rules and regulations, all the things. So diva is a ready-made food. Divasa is a raw food, you have to cook it. इसी तरह रात्रि, रात्रि is a raw food, you have to cook it. Naktam is a ready-made food, we called it avyaya or indeclinable. Sayam, evening. Pratah, morning. All these four words are indeclinable, means you don't need to change it. Just use it whatever, wherever, whenever you want to use them as it is. So now we'll use a little bit, then we'll close. Aham sayam pathami. What does it mean?
मैं शाम को पढ़ूंगा.
Balakah pratah khadati.
बच्चे
The
सुबह खाते
boy
हैं
eats in the morning.
Okay. The Sarojji reads at daytime.
Saroj.
Sarojah
सरोजः
Diva Patha.
दिवा
diva pathati.
Pathati.
पठति
Okay, pathati. Nareshji eats at night.
Naresh.
Naresh.
Naktam
naktam
khadati.
khadami
Naktam khadati.
Khadami.
khadati
Khadati.
Okay, so now practice idanim,
Idani.
adhuna,
adhuna
Adhuna.
samprati.
samprati
So
What?
all these three words means
No.
now. So you can use any of them. Adya, you know adya, shwaha? Yeah.
adya shwaha yes ह्यः
Okay. So use these words to make a big, long sentence. I hope next time some of you will come with the 10, 20 sentences and not
Yes.
2-word sentences.
okay
From today, you have to make say a sentence using minimum 4 words.
using 4 words
Rama, Ramaha, Griham, second case, Gachati, verb, Prataha, indeclinable, and Prataha. So you can use 4 words minimum in present tense and future tense. If you go wrong, don't worry, we'll correct it. Okay?
okay
Okay. So with this, we'll do the prayer. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः
Sarve santu niramayah.
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः
Sarve bhadrani pashyantu.
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु
Ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet.
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्
Om shanti shanti shanti.
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
Okay. Namaste and thank you very much.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad.
Namaste. Thank you.
Dhanyavad,
Thank you.
Mahodaya.
Namaste.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और वीडियो अच्छा लगे लाइक भी जरूर करें।